Who can believe that we are already in the middle of 2024, so you still have 6 more months left to end? This year, you can end it much stronger financially. Welcome to our channel if you are new here. Our founder's name is Jami. He is an engineer and entrepreneur who aims to help you start your own business. Today we're diving into the world of food transformation businesses. Suppose you've wondered how to turn fresh produce like tomatoes, chilies, onions, and plantains into marketable products like tomato paste, chili powder, and plantain chips. In that case, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Food processing is the transformation of raw ingredients into consumable food products through various methods. This can include processes like drying, grinding, and packaging. Transforming raw produce into finished products significantly increases profit margins. Processing surplus or imperfect produce reduces waste and maximizes the use of available resources. There is a growing demand for convenient, ready-to-use food products. Choose ripe, firm, and healthy tomatoes. Varieties like Roma or plum tomatoes are ideal. Thoroughly wash and sort the tomatoes to remove any dirt or damaged pieces. Blanch the tomatoes in hot water, then cool them in ice water. This makes peeling easier. Crush the tomatoes and boil them to reduce water content and enhance flavor. Use a sieve to remove seeds and skin. Then, concentrate the tomato puree by simmering. You'll need a tomato washer and sorter, a blanching machine, a peeling machine, a crushing and boiling machine, and an evaporator. Consider using cans, jars, or pouches. A sealing machine ensures products are well preserved and have a long shelf life. Choose fresh, ripe chilies. You can sun-dry the chilies or use a dehydrator. Grind the dried chilies into a fine powder. Wash and chop the chilies. Cook the chopped chilies and blend until smooth. Add preservatives to extend shelf life. For chili powder, you'll need a chili dryer and grinder. For chili sauce, a cooking and blending machine. Bottling machines for sauce and sealing and labeling machines for both powder and sauce. Select firm, fresh onions. Thoroughly wash and peel the onions. Slice the onions and dry them using a dehydrator. Grind the dried onion slices into a fine powder. You'll need an onion washer and peeler, slicing machine, dehydrator, and grinder. A powder filling machine and sealing machines are essential. Choose ripe but firm plantains. Wash and peel the plantains. Slice the plantains and fry them until crispy. Season the chips and allow them to cool completely. You'll need a plantain washer and peeler, slicing machine, frying machine, and seasoning machine. A bagging machine and sealing machines are essential. Good packaging extends shelf life, enhances product appeal, and protects the product during transportation. Consider vacuum sealers, heat sealers, labeling machines, and automated packaging. Identify your target customers. Conduct market research to understand their preferences. Create a strong brand identity. Your logo, packaging design, and brand story should resonate with your target audience. Utilize online platforms like Amazon, local markets, grocery stores, and collaborations with restaurants. Make your website user-friendly and visually appealing. Use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Send regular newsletters with updates and promotions. Optimize your website and content for search engines. Use flyers, brochures, local events, and partnerships with local businesses. An industrial washer and sorter can handle large volumes of tomatoes, ensuring they are clean and sorted by size and quality. Brands like Tamra or FT Non offer high-capacity options. An industrial blancher quickly blanches tomatoes, making peeling easier. These machines can process tons of tomatoes per hour. Processing surplus or imperfect produce reduces waste and maximizes the use of available resources. Industrial peeling machines use steam or mechanical methods to peel tomatoes efficiently. Lyco Manufacturing offers reliable options. These machines crush and boil tomatoes to reduce water content and concentrate the paste. Brands like Stephen Machinery provide robust solutions. Evaporators concentrate the tomato puree by removing excess water. GEA Group offers large-scale evaporators suitable for industrial use. For smaller operations, semi-industrial washers from brands like Sormac are efficient and cost-effective. Semi-industrial blanchers are smaller but still effective. Look for options from suppliers like Heat and Control. Manual peelers or small-scale machines are suitable for lower volumes. Brands like Kiremco provide versatile options. These are perfect for semi-industrial use. Brands like RD Industries offer compact, efficient machines. Ideal for smaller batches, these evaporators are available from companies like GEM Machinery. There is a growing demand for convenient, ready-to-use food products. Industrial chili dryers, such as those from Bühler, use controlled environments to dry large quantities of chilies uniformly. High-capacity grinders from companies like Hosokawa Micron can process large volumes of dried chilies into fine powder. For semi-industrial use, dehydrators from brands like Excalibur are effective and affordable brands like BR. Industries offer grinders that are perfect for medium-sized operations. Industrial washers ensure the chilies are clean and ready for processing. Companies like JBT Foodtech offer robust options. Industrial cookers and blenders, such as those from Stephen Machinery, can handle large volumes efficiently. Smaller washers from brands like Kiremco are suitable for medium-sized operations. Semi-industrial cookers and blenders from companies like Jwala Techno Engineering are versatile and efficient. Industrial washers and peelers from brands like Sormac can handle large volumes, ensuring onions are clean and peeled efficiently. High-capacity slicers from Urschel can slice large quantities of onions uniformly. Industrial dehydrators from Bühler ensure onions are dried quickly and uniformly. Industrial grinders from Hosokawa Micron can process large volumes of dried onions into powder. For semi-industrial use, washers from suppliers like Sormac are effective and affordable. Semi-industrial peelers from brands like Kiremco are suitable for medium-sized operations. Smaller slicers from Urschel are ideal for semi-industrial use. Semi-industrial dehydrators from Excalibur are efficient and cost-effective. Grinders from BR Industries are perfect for medium-sized operations. Industrial washers and peelers from companies like Tomra can handle large volumes, ensuring plantains are clean and peeled efficiently. High-capacity slicers from Urschel ensure uniform slices. Industrial fryers from Heat and Control can handle large batches efficiently. Seasoning machines from TNA ensure even coating of seasonings on plantain chips. For semi-industrial use, washers from Sormac are efficient and affordable. Semi-industrial peelers from suppliers like Kiremco are suitable for medium-sized operations. Smaller slicers from Urschel are ideal for semi-industrial use. Semi-industrial fryers from Heat and Control are efficient and cost-effective. Seasoning machines from TNA are versatile and perfect for medium-sized operations. Good packaging is crucial for extending shelf life, enhancing product appeal, and protecting the product during transportation. It also plays a vital role in branding and marketing your product. Vacuum sealers remove air from the packaging, extending the shelf life of your products. Industrial options from Multivac are highly efficient, while FoodSaver offers reliable semi-industrial machines. Heat sealers are ideal for sealing bags. Industrial heat sealers from PackWorld ensure a strong seal, while AIE provides cost-effective semi-industrial options. Labeling machines apply labels accurately and efficiently. Companies like Weber Packaging Solutions offer industrial labeling machines, while Primera provides excellent semi-industrial options. For large-scale operations, automated packaging lines from companies like Bosch Packaging Technology can significantly increase efficiency and reduce labor costs. For medium-sized operations, small-scale automated lines from Pacona are effective and affordable. Washing and peeling plantains is the first step in making plantain chips. Effective packaging not only protects your product, but also attracts customers. Let's explore some advanced packaging solutions that can help elevate your brand. Vacuum sealing extends shelf life by removing air from the packaging. A professional label can make your product stand out. The labeling machine applies labels accurately and quickly, giving your product a polished look. Flexible packaging, such as pouches and bags, is becoming increasingly popular. Pouch filling machines are versatile and can handle a variety of products, providing a modern and convenient packaging solution. We've covered the transformation processes for tomatoes, chilies, onions, and plantains, the necessary machinery, packaging solutions, and effective marketing strategies. Remember, the key to success is quality, efficiency, and strong branding. Ready to start your food transformation business? Subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights. Leave your questions and comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this guide helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. In our next video, we'll explore advanced marketing techniques and how to scale your food transformation business. Stay tuned.